Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online, guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? All right. Today, anybody was joined new guys? Today, only first today. Okay. All right. Guys, already I was started manual testing. In this content, the first concept is the manual testing. I was started. In this manual testing, almost 4 concepts is completed. If you need the last session related information, I will provide. Okay. If you need last 4 concepts related information, I will provide. Once complete the session, please reach me. I will provide the notes, that recordings. You guys are watch the recordings. If you have any doubts while watching the recordings, please reach me. I will clarify your doubt. Okay, done. Guys, yesterday we discussed software development process model. What is the waterfall model and prototype model, evolutionary or incremental model, and spiral model and V model we discussed yesterday. What is the waterfall? Why it is outdated? What is the main disadvantages I discuss? What is the prototype? If you want to use the prototype, what is the main disadvantage? I was explained. The next one, evolutionary or incremental model. The next one, evolutionary or incremental model. If you want to release the application to customer by using evolutionary model, what is the main disadvantage in this model? I was explained. Yeah, what is the main disadvantage in this evolutionary or incremental model? What is the main disadvantage evolutionary or incremental model? Sorry? Yeah. Actually, in this model, if you want to release the application to customer, we are able to release the application every 2 months. Within the 2 months, how much we develop, how much we tested, that much of application we are able to release. The first release is completed, second release is completed. In middle of the project, the customer is not happy with the application. The time he will provide feedback to company people, at the same time, one new requirement. At the same time, one new requirement. Is it clear or not? In this time, almost some days completed. For example, 6 months is completed. If you want to develop the application again, you can start from starting. In this time, when the customer is happy, we don't know. This process is continuously happen like that. When the customer is happy, we don't know. The time, we don't know the project deadline. We are unable to release the application right time. This is your answer. Don't say we don't know project deadline. You can explain. You guys are explaining a project deadline we don't know. What is the project deadline? We don't know. You can explain. While really, if you want to release the application to customer by using evolutionary or incremental model, in this time, in middle of the project, the customer is provide any new requirement we are unable to handle in middle of the project. If you want to add this new requirement in middle of the project, you can start from starting. In this time, the time you guys are explained, we don't know the project deadline, right time we are unable to release the application to the customer. That is your answer. Is it clear or not? I think that is I was discussed last class. Only I said we don't know project deadline. No, that's why I'm telling. I said clearly 3 to 4 times. Listen carefully. The first time you guys are listen, second time you guys are listen. Second time you people are able to understand when I explain, the third time you guys are right. Okay. I said number of times, guys. Okay. First time you can listen, second time you can listen, third time you people are able to understand, then you can write the running notes. That is very useful in this time. When you guys are getting this situation, when you guys are getting this type of situation, the time you people are able to answer the question. Is it clear or not? See guys, if you guys are getting any question, sentence formation is very important. Okay. If you guys are saying like only we don't know project deadline, those people are unable to understand. Myself also. Only one step is not an answer for that one. You can explain clearly. What I was explained in my notes also, everything is there. What I was shared yesterday. Everything clearly is there. What I was discussed, same process is there. Come in. Same process is there. Clear? Okay. Next time I am expecting what I was discussed. Same thing I am expecting. Okay. Guys, listen carefully. You guys are listen carefully. This week I am able to conduct one assignment. You guys are listen carefully. This week I am able to conduct one assignment, and test cases also I will provide. Okay. And what I was discussed before the assignment, everything up to the time, everything I will provide. What I was provide, I no need to discuss. Okay. The first concept, software development life cycles, testing methods or techniques, levels of testing or levels of testing, and software development process model up to now. Okay. If I want to conduct this week, day after tomorrow what I was complete, everything I will. If I want to conduct Friday, Thursday or Saturday, before day what I was completed, that one I will provide. Okay. Please read carefully in that notes, in that assignment also, what I am expecting, what I was discussed in this session as it is, I am expecting. Okay, come in. Okay. What I was expecting. Yeah. What I was expecting, what I am expecting from your end, I am expecting what I was discussed here. Same thing I am expecting from your end. Okay. Is it clear? You guys are observe in that notes as it is available. Okay. What I was discussed here as it is there in that notes. This week, I will conduct the assignment. Okay. When I conduct the assignment, maximum I will give 2 days or 3 days. After that, I will conduct. Okay. Just 4 concepts or 5 concepts I was completed before the text. I am able to complete 5 concepts. Okay. Within these 5 concepts, I am able to conduct the assignment. Why? Because I need to cross check. I need to cross check. You people are able to reach that point or not. I need to cross check. Okay. Is it clear or not? Okay, done. The next one, agile methodology or model or process. In real time, we are using agile process nowadays. Okay, this is the updated model. We are using agile process, or some people they call agile methodology. Some people they call agile model. You guys are observe what is the agile model or methodology. The agile is quick delivery. Quick delivery. If you want to release the application to customer, we are using agile process. In this agile process, maximum 14 days, minimum. Okay. In this agile methodology, we are going to use some technical terminology. The first one, sprint. The sprint is nothing but particular time or particular time measurement. The maximum 14 days, minimum 7 days. This is we call sprint. In real time, you people are able to get one question. What is your sprint time? That's it. Okay. How you guys are able to release the application to customer? How you guys are able to release the application to customer? You guys are listen question first of all. How you guys are release the application to customer through sprint wise? First sprint, second sprint, first 14 days we are release some requirement. Second 14 days, next 14 days. Okay. Don't forget. What is sprint time? 14 days. Okay. How you guys are able to release the application to customer? Sprint wise, through sprint wise. Done. The next one is the Scrum. The next one is the Scrum. Scrum is nothing but a process. The Scrum is nothing but a process. If you want to release the application to customer, we need to follow the Scrum process. If you want to release the application to customer, we need to follow the Scrum process. Scrum process. In the Scrum process, there are a different roles is there. There are a different roles is there. The Scrum Master is there. Product owner is there. Scrum team is there. And Dev team is there. These are all roles follow the Scrum rules. The Scrum roles follow the Scrum rules. Listen, the Scrum roles follow the Scrum rules. Yes. Scrum is nothing but a process. If you want to release the application to customer, we need to follow the Scrum process. There are a different roles is there. The first one is the Scrum Master. The second one is the product owner. The next one is the Scrum team. And next one is the Dev team. Is it clear or not? Okay. Yeah. What kind of job of the Scrum Master in real time? The Scrum Master he will explain the first step, how to do the testing. The second step, how to achieve the goal. The third step, how to release the quality product to the customer within the time. The Scrum Master, he will explain clearly how to do the testing, and the Scrum Master will explain clearly how to release the application to customer within right time. The Scrum Master, he will explain clearly how to achieve the goal. The Scrum Master, he will explain clearly how to release the quality product to the customer to right time. I will explain one more time. The first step, the Scrum Master, he will explain to team members clearly how to do the testing, first step. Second step, how to achieve the goal. How to achieve the goal. Third step, how to release the quality product to the customer. How to release the quality product to the customer within the right time. Within the right time means within sprint time. Within sprint time. Is it clear or not? Okay. He will explain everything. He is the organizer. He will conduct the meeting. He will the organizer. The Scrum Master is the organizer. He will conduct the meeting. In this meeting, he will explain clearly how to do the testing and how to achieve the goal and how to release the quality product to the customer within the right time. He will explain clearly in this meeting. Is it clear or not? The Scrum Master like a, yes, the Scrum Master like a team lead. Okay, the Scrum Master like a team lead. Is it clear or not? Okay, you guys are able to call actually release time. Our team lead, he will organize the meeting. Okay, don't forget guys, agile methodology, pin to pin, it is very, very important. If you guys are getting any manual interview, must and should from agile methodology, 3 questions is the pakka 100%. Okay, why? Because we know guys, why? Because we are able to multiple interviews we are able to take, and in this interview if I take the manual testing, definitely we are able to ask first question, what is the agile methodology? Second question, what is the difference between the product owner and business analyst? Everybody, common questions. Okay, see, don't forget, and sprint to scrum is also important. Every terminology is important. It's very, very important. How many meetings do we have every day? Okay, everything I will explain. Done. Scrum Master is clear. Do you have any doubt? What is the first step? He will explain how to do the testing. Second point, how to achieve the goal. Third point, how to release the quality product to the customer within the right time. The next one, the product owner. Who is the product owner? The product owner, listen carefully. Listen. The product owner gather the requirements from the customer. The product owner gather the requirement from the customer. In this time, we don't call requirement. If you guys are using agile methodology, If you guys are using agile methodology, you don't call requirement. You are able to call user cards and story cards and user board and storyboard and backlogs. We are able to call in real time story cards. We are able to call in real time user cards, and we are able to call user stories. User stories. We are able to call user stories. We are able to call user stories. In real time, different company people, they call different name. Different company people, they call different name. User card, some people they call user stories, some people they call user board, some people they call, and backlog, some people they call. Okay, depends on the company. If you guys are using agile methodology, you don't call the requirement. You need to call story cards or user cards. That's it. Or user stories or backlogs. Backlogs means not that backlog. Okay. This is the requirements. These are all requirements. Requirements in agile methodology, we don't call requirement. We are going to call user cards and story cards. The product owner gather the user cards from the customer. He will store all the user cards inside of the product backlog items. He will store all the user cards inside of the product backlog items. This is the folder like a URS. This is the folder like a URS. Got it? I will repeat one more time. You guys are observe. The product owner, what kind of job of the product owner in agile methodology? The product owner gather the user cards from the customer. All the user cards he will store inside of the product backlog items. Is it clear or not? Clear or not? I am expecting one question from your end. That question I am expecting. If you guys are using agile methodology, the agile master, he will take one session for that time. Before starting the project, I am an agile master, you are a team member. Before starting the project, I will take one session for team, with the team. In this team, everyone is available. I will explain agile rules. If you guys are using agile methodology, must and should we need to follow the agile rule. Already BA is there. That is company, actually company provide the BA. The agile provide product owner. Must and should, if you want to use agile methodology, must and should you need to follow the agile rule. Product owner also required in agile methodology. That's why the agile master, he will explain before starting the project. If you guys are using agile process, must and should you need to follow the agile rules. Must and should you need to follow the agile rules. The BA company will provide, product owner agile will provide. Is it clear or not? Clear? There The BA gather the requirement, he will store inside of the URS folder, BRS folder, and BDD folder, and BD folder, and FRS folder. Here, the product owner gather the requirement, gather the user cards from the customer. All the user cards he will store inside of the product backlog items. Is it clear now? If you guys are getting the question, what is the difference between the product owner and BA? You people are able to answer? Okay? Yeah. That is the BA company will provide and Agile will provide the product owner. Okay, I no need to use product owner. Already BA is there. Okay, I need to replace the BA position product owner. That is, you guys are break the rules. Which rules? Agile rules. The Scrum Master, the Agile Master, he will explain clearly before starting the project. If you guys are using Agile model, Agile methodology, must and should you need to follow the Agile process. Is it clear or not? Yeah. The next one, Scrum team. The Scrum team and Dev team both are same. The Scrum team and Dev team both are same. Who are involved in this project? Those peoples we call Dev team or Scrum team. The Scrum team and Dev team both are same. Who are involved in this project? Those peoples we call Scrum team or Dev team. We are a tester, but they call Dev team. Everyone comes under Dev team or Scrum team. Some people real-time experience people. Some people, I have a Scrum today. They said like that, Scrum today. Scrum means everyone is involved. Everyone is involved in this project. Who are involved? Everyone is involved in this Scrum meeting. Scrum meeting. Okay? Is it clear or not? Clear or not? Shall I repeat? What is the Scrum? Shall I repeat? Okay. I will repeat again. Listen carefully. Scrum is nothing but a process. If you want to release the application to customer, we need to use Scrum process. The Scrum will provide different roles. The first one is the Scrum Master. The second one is the product owner. The next one is the Scrum team. Next one is the Dev team. Dev means development team. Scrum Master. What kind of job of the Scrum Master in this Agile methodology? The Scrum Master, like one organizer, he will conduct the meeting. Before starting the testing, he will explain clearly how to do the testing. And second one, how to achieve the goal. Third one, how to release the quality product to customer within the right time. The Scrum Master, he will explain. The product owner, like a BA, if you guys are using the Agile process, must and should you need to follow Agile rules. In this Agile process, product owner is there. The product owner gather the user cards from the customer. All the user cards he will store inside of the product backlog item, like a URS, PRS, FRS. The next one, Scrum team and Dev team, who are involved in this project, those peoples we call Scrum team. Those peoples we call Dev team. Who are involved in this project, those peoples we call Scrum team and or Dev team. This is we call Scrum. This is we call. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? The next concept in agile methodology, Scrum events. The next concept, how to create the sprint, I will show you when I start the Jira, then I will show you. Okay, how to create the sprint in real time, I will show you. Okay, yeah. Scrum events, some people they call meetings. Scrum events or meetings. We have a different types of meetings is there every day. The first one is the daily or stand up or scrum or yeah, only that one. The next one, daily meeting, and second one, sprint review meeting. The next one, sprint planning meeting. The next one, retrospective meeting. Sprint planning, sprint review meeting. Retrospective meeting. Some people they call retro. Some people they call retro. Okay, retrospective or retrospective meeting. Daily stand-up meeting, sprint review meeting, sprint planning meeting. Okay, this is I think first. Sprint planning meeting and sprint review meeting and retrospective meeting. Retrospective meeting. These are all meetings we have every day. Not every day. Actually, this is every day. Okay. This is 14 days one time. This is also for 14 days one time. And this is also for 14 days one time. What is the daily or stand-up or scrum meeting? What we are going to discuss in this meeting? We have every day we have one meeting, that is stand-up meeting. Every day. Once you guys are logging, after 1 hour, we have a meeting. That is stand-up meeting or daily meeting or scrum meeting. In this meeting, what we are going to discuss? In this meeting, what we are going to discuss? The first one, what was completed yesterday? What was completed yesterday? And what you have to do today? And what is the plan for tomorrow? What is the plan for tomorrow? Okay. You guys are observed clearly here. I am a team lead. Listen, just imagine, guys. This is daily meeting, stand-up meeting. Just imagine. This is daily meeting, stand-up meeting. I am a organizer. I will conduct the meeting. In this meeting, once everyone is connected in Teams, start the meeting. Just hi guys, good morning to everyone. Okay, just I will start the meeting. Yeah, see, I am a organizer, team lead. I will ask one by one. Total 10 numbers is there. I will ask one by one, one by one, one by one. Mr. Sudhir, what is your status? Mr. Sudhir, what is your status? I will ask. In this call, the Sudhir will explain clearly. Hi Anil, I was completed yesterday some type of testing. Today I need to do, today I will do some type of testing. I have to plan tomorrow some type of testing. That's it. Immediately I will respond. Yeah, Sudhir, yesterday you did something in the type of testing. Did you get any blockers? Then Sudhir will respond, no. And do you need any support? The time Sudhir will explain, not required. Okay, if you have any support, please reach me. Definitely I will provide. This is meeting. Yeah, Sudhir is completed. I will move to the one more person. Hi Lakshmi, what is the status? I will ask. The Lakshmi will explain clearly. Hi Anil, yesterday I completed regression testing. Okay, and today I'm going to today I will do the smoke testing. Tomorrow I'm going to plan dynamic testing or UAT testing. Immediately I will respond. And yesterday, did you get any blockers, Lakshmi? I didn't get any blockers. Do you need any support? No, not required. I am able to do. I am able to complete within the right time. She's explained. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. If you need any support, please reach me. I will arrange. Next, I will move to the Pawan. Hi, Pawan. What is the status? Same like what was completed yesterday. The Pawan will explain. And what you have to do today. And next one, what is the plan for tomorrow? These things we are able to discuss in this meeting. Once I am able to ask one by 10 members, I am completed. Everyone I am get the feedback from people. Then after that, before close the meeting, do you have any queries? Do you have any blockers? Do you need any support? Please reach me. I will arrange. Okay. Thank you. Close the meeting. Close the meeting. That is we call daily stand-up meeting and sprint planning. Sorry, daily stand-up meeting or scrum meeting. Okay. Some people, US people, they call daily, only daily. They didn't mention meeting, only daily. Yeah, I have a 7 o'clock daily. I will call you later. They said like that. Okay. And Mexican people, they said, in US people, they said, they will ask, do you have any blockers or any support? They will ask US people, European people. And coming to the Mexican people, what they are asking, do you have any impediments? Impediments. The impediments is nothing but a blockers, support, or everything is comes under impediments. Okay. That is we call daily stand-up meeting. Everyone able to understand? Shall I repeat again? Shall I repeat again? Yeah. Yeah, blockers, while execute the testing, okay, I need to execute one test case. When I execute the test case step by step, first step pass, second step pass, third step, that is, I don't know that is right or wrong. I confuse, I blocked there. I need to confirm with the team. That is called a blocker. Actually, I want to click on login button. We are expecting error message, but a different error message I got. That is right or wrong, I don't know. I block there. then I need to block. Then this one, actually I was total 10 steps is there, and fifth step I was blocked. Why? Because I don't have an idea about that one. Please explain that one. They will explain. Clear? Clear or not? Yeah. Daily stand-up meeting and scrum meeting is nothing but every day we have one meeting. In this meeting, we are going to discuss about 3 steps, what was completed yesterday and what we have to do today and what is the plan for tomorrow. These 3 steps we are going to discuss with the team. Who will conduct the daily stand-up? Our team lead will conduct the daily stand-up. Every day we have 15 to 20 minutes daily stand-up. Every day we have 15 to 20 minutes daily stand-up. Okay? Clear or not? Yeah. The next one, sprint planning meeting. Sprint planning meeting. I think you people are able to understand. Sprint planning meeting. Tell me, what is that one? Before release the application to customer, listen. Before release the application to customer, we are going to conduct one meeting, sprint planning meeting. In this meeting, what type of requirement we are going to release to customer to next sprint, we are going to discuss. I will repeat again. Sprint planning meeting. Sprint planning meeting. In this meeting, what we are going to discuss? Before release the application to customer, what type of requirements? Before release the application to customer, what type of requirements we are going to release to the customer? In this meeting, we will discuss. In this meeting, team members is there, team leads is there, product owner also is there. The product owner will explain clearly the next sprint, this requirement you can release. The next sprint, this 10 requirements you guys are release. The product owner will explain clearly. The product owner will explain clearly to team members. To team members. Is it clear? Shall I repeat? Yeah. Sprint planning meeting. Before release the application to customer, what type of user cards we are able to release to customer? Before releasing, we are able to conduct this meeting. In this meeting, we will discuss what type of requirement we are able to release. I will repeat. Sprint planning meeting is nothing but before release the application to customer. Okay, release before. What type of requirements we are able to release to next sprint, we will discuss in this meeting. That is we call sprint planning meeting. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat online and offline, guys? Shall I repeat? Yeah. The next one, sprint review. Sprint review. What is the review? What is the sprint time? 14 days. Clear? Okay. See guys, before release the application to customer, once started the sprint, almost out of 14 days, 10 days was completed. Listen carefully. Once started the sprint started, almost 10 days is completed. Okay. The next, not example, 10 days is completed. And before release, I will conduct one meeting, that is review meeting. What is that review meeting? In this review meeting, what we are going to discuss? Same like I will ask one by one. Mr. Pawan, I provided in this sprint 5 requirements. Within 5 requirements, how many requirements you completed? How many is pending? I will ask. The Pawan will respond, Anil, I completed out of 5, 3 completed, remaining is 2 is pending. Before sprint, I am able to complete that requirement. Okay. And before moving to next person, I will ask Mr. Pawan, if you need any support, please tell me in this moment. I explain clearly. If you are unable to complete 5 requirements, please tell me. Okay, I will arrange. I will give some supporter. I will assign some tester. Not required, Anil. I am able to complete the task within the particular time. He will explain. Okay, the next I will move to next person. Hi Gayatri, what about your status? Anil, you provided 3 requirements. Out of 3, 2 is completed, only 1 is pending. I am able to complete tomorrow EOD. EOD is nothing but a end of the day. Tomorrow I am able to complete EOD. Okay, the time I will ask Gayatri, do you need any support? Please tell me, I will arrange. The time she will explain, not required, I am able to complete. And do you have any blockers? No. So far, no. They will explain. Okay. Then I will move to everyone. I will take the review. Someone says, Anil, actually, this is very complexity. In this test case, someone says, this test, you are providing 4 test cases, and out of 4 test cases, 2 test cases is completed, 2 is pending, and 1 test case is very complexity. I need support. Definitely I will arrange. Immediately, definitely I will arrange. In that meeting, I will arrange. Okay. And like this, guys, I will take the review. Why I need to take the review? Before release the application to customer, how much they completed. If they need any support, I will arrange. Okay. This is before release. I need to take the sprint review meeting. Sprint review meeting. Is it clear or not? Yeah, I will explain. My notes also same as it is there. What I was discussed, same as it is there. I will explain one more time. Sprint review meeting. In this review meeting, before release the application to customer, I will conduct one review meeting. Already sprint started. In this meeting, In this meeting, I will ask, how many requirements is completed? How many requirements is pending? First question, how many requirements is completed? Second question, and how many test cases are pending? Third question, do you need any support? Fourth question, if you need any support, please tell me at the moment. I will arrange. I will explain one more time. Before release the application to customer, already sprint started, half of the days is completed. Before release, I will conduct the meeting. In this meeting, I need to ask one by one, how many test cases or requirements you completed? How many is pending? Do you need any support or do you have any blockers? If you need any support, please tell me at the moment. I will arrange. Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat? Huh? Yes, tell me. If you have, I will explain one more time. మీకు వినే శక్తి లేకపోతే నాకు చెప్పే శక్తి చాలా ఉంది. I will explain number of times. 10 times I will explain. అలా ప్రాక్టీస్ అయిపోయా, అలవాటు అయిపోయింది బాడీకి. యా, బిఫోర్ రిలీజ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ టు కస్టమర్, before release the application to customer, I will conduct the one review meeting. In this review meeting, what I need to discuss? Already sprint started, half of the days is completed. In this review meeting, I will discuss with the team how many test cases is completed, how many test cases are pending, and do you have any blockers? Do you need any support? If you need any support, please explain, please tell me at the moment. I will arrange the resource. Clear? This is we call sprint review meeting. The next one, retrospective meeting. It is very, very important meeting. Retrospective meeting or retrospective meeting. Only two things we are able to discuss. What went to good, what went to wrong. What went to good and what went to wrong. Is it clear or not? What went to good and what went to wrong. What went to good means before starting the testing, the testing related all prerequisites is there or not properly. Before doing the testing related environment or prerequisites both are same. Before doing the testing related all prerequisites or environment should be ready or not. What went to good? Everything is ready. Test plan is ready, test case document is ready, template is ready. Now I can start the testing. Once complete the testing, what went to wrong? While executing the test cases, do you have any mismatches is there or not? What went to wrong? After completion of the testing, you guys are found any defects or any things in this application, that is we call what went to wrong. What went to good? Everything is fine. What went to wrong? We did not get any mistakes in this application. Yes, now ready to release the application to customer. What went to good and what went to wrong? Is it clear or not? Shall I repeat? Yeah. What went to good? Before starting the testing, if you want to do the testing, what type of prerequisites is required? What type of environment is required? That is, everything is fine. Everything, I have everything for testing purpose. The what went to good? Everything is fine. What went to wrong? After completion of the testing, you guys are found any mismatches or any defects or anything, you can explain in this meeting. That is called what went to wrong. What went to good and what went to wrong. Okay, maximum people are asking what is the retrospective meeting. You can explain what went to good in this testing, what went to wrong. I need to find. Yeah, they will ask what went to good, what is the meaning of that one. You can explain before doing the testing related all prerequisites is there or not, I need to validate. Once complete the testing, I got any mismatches or not, any defects or not, before release, I need to validate. This is we call what went to good. Everything is fine before doing the testing. After completion of the testing, everything is fine. What went to wrong? Nothing. Clear? Clear? Everybody. Shall I repeat again? Yes, sir. Okay. Retrospective meeting. There are two types. What went to good? What went to wrong? The first one, what went to good? Before doing the testing related testing, if you want to do the testing, you need some environment. Okay, requirement document, test case template, okay, test case document and test planning. These are all we call prerequisites. Before doing the testing, if you want to do the testing, we need prerequisites or test environment. Everything is going fine or not? Everything is good. That's it. Next one. What went to wrong? After completion of the testing, you guys are able to find any mismatches or any defects or anything in this application, you can discuss in this meeting. That is we call what went to wrong. Clear? Shall I repeat? Okay. All right. This is we call agile methodology. This is we call agile methodology. Okay, I will upload the agile methodology documents. Yeah, I will show you agile 1 and agile 2. What I was discussed, everything is available. In the V model, huh? This is 11 o'clock batch notes. Yeah. See guys, Scrum Master, Product Owner, Scrum Team and Dev Team. Okay, Agile. See, if I want to release the application to the customer, we need to use Agile model. This is the quick delivery. We are able to handle any new requirement in before release the also. Okay, Sprint is nothing but everything is there, guys. Okay, Scrum is nothing but a process. Okay, we'll explain clearly how to release the application to the customer. There are different roles, is there Scrum Master and Product Owner and Dev Team and Scrum Team, okay, who are involved in this project. Okay. The next one is the Scrum events. Sprint planning meeting, sprint review meeting and retrospective meeting. Okay, daily meeting, stand-up meeting, Scrum meeting. Okay, in this meeting, what was completed yesterday, what we'll do today, what is the plan for tomorrow. Okay, and sprint planning, sprint review, retrospective, what went to good, what went to wrong. That's it. Clear? Now I will upload these notes. You guys are download. Concept number 4. Yes. Everybody able to get the link? Everybody able to get the link? Huh? Still anyone is pending? If you guys are pending, guys, please collect that one. Okay. software development process model. Concept 4. That's it. Okay, I uploaded. Do you have any doubts in software development process model? Do you have any doubts? Okay, all right. The next one, types of testing. The next one, types of testing. There are a different types is there. The next concept, types of testing. Okay, the first one, build acceptance testing. The next one, retesting, regression testing, static testing, dynamic testing, smoke testing, sanitary testing, smoke testing, sanitary testing, alpha testing, beta testing, and compatibility testing, and usability testing. Compatibility testing, usability testing, and security testing. Monkey testing, gorilla testing, and port testing, and firewall privilege testing, privilege testing, firewall or privilege testing, ad hoc testing, ad hoc testing, and exploratory testing, exploratory testing, and stress or spike or load testing, stress or spike or load testing, port testing, compatibility testing, usability testing, and yeah, total 25. 1, 2, 3, only 19. Total 25. Alpha, beta, usability, security, installation testing, desktop testing, and exhaustive. Very good. Installation testing, desktop testing, exhaustive testing and iteration testing. Okay, total 20, 23. Exhaustive testing, iteration testing, exploratory testing, integration. That is integration, interaction, not integration testing, compatibility, usability, beta, alpha, sanity, smoke, done. Yes, end-to-end testing. End to 24, end-to-end testing. Clear? Yeah. Yeah, total. Basically, if you guys are find in Google, only you people are able to get 10 to 12 types of testing. This 24 types of testing, every application you people are able to cover. Every domain you people are able to cover. Every domain means if you guys are working in insurance domain, what type of testing we are able to do? If you guys are working in games application, what type of testing we are able to do? If you guys are doing banking domain, what type of testing we are able to do? All the domains we covered in these types of testing. All domains we covered in these types of testing. Everything I will explain. If you want to do this type of testing, which domain we are able to do, how to do, okay, everything I will explain. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Yeah. The first one, build acceptance testing. Build. What is the build? What is the build? What is the build? Build is nothing but a application. Okay. Build acceptance testing. Who will do? Tester. Okay. See guys, build means application. Acceptance means before doing the testing, I am a tester. The developer send the build. I need to do basic testing. Okay. See, the first point, build testing, build acceptance testing. Build acceptance testing is nothing but health checkup. Once we got the build, the application URL is properly working or not. First step. The second step, once I launch the application URL, our expected home page, it should be displayed or not. The third step, based on the customer expected, every elements or every modules is there or not. And once launch the application, the database connections is properly working or not. How I need to verify database connections? If I want to click on the mobile, I am able to get the mobile related information. The application is crashed or not, I need to verify. Everything is fine, I will accept. I will start the testing. Okay, not health checkup. The build acceptance testing is nothing but basic testing. The build acceptance testing is nothing but basic testing. Basic means URL is properly working or not. Main functionality is displaying or not, is working or not. Second point. Third point, as per customer expected, every elements is there or not in this home page. Fourth point, all the database connections is properly working or not. Fifth point, once I launch the application URL, my application is crash or not, I need to verify. This is we call basic testing. Once I got the build from the developer, if I want to do the testing, I need to do basic testing. Basic means URL is working or not, home page is displaying or not, every element is there or not, modules is there or not, and database is properly working or not. And once launch the application is crash or not. Crash means, you guys are observe, I launch the application URL after 1 minute. After 1 minute, automatically it will be closed without any effort. You guys are observe any application? I was observe lot of applications. Once launch the application, it will be open homepage. It should be displayed. Okay, fine. Everything is fine. After 1 minute, automatically it will be closed. That is crash. You people are able to get this. You people are able to get like that. Then immediately you need to inform to the developer. Our application is crash. After 1 minute, it will be closed automatically. That is we call build acceptance testing. I will repeat one more time. Build is nothing but a application. Build is nothing but a application. Once we got the application from the developer, the developer develop the application, developer provide the build, new build. Once we got the build, we need to do the basic testing. The first step, URL is properly working or not. The second step, once we launch the application home page, it should be displayed or not. The third step, once I launch the application, all modules or elements, it should be displayed or not as per customer expected. And fourth step, all database connections is properly working or not. Fifth step, once I launch the application is crash or not. This is we call basic testing. Clear? Clear or not? Shall I repeat? Online guys? Yeah, okay, no problem. I will repeat same process tomorrow. What I was discussed from build acceptance testing, I will repeat same tomorrow. If you have any doubts, please tell me. And one more thing guys, I request to all, you guys are join the session right time. 9:15, okay? Okay, 9:20, okay, fine. 9:20, okay, fine. Actually, our session time 9 o'clock. You know, our session time 9 o'clock. Okay. Some people coming from long distance, so I accepted. 9:15, okay. Okay, 9:20, I will revise it what was discussed yesterday. I will revise. Exact 9:25, actual session. New topics will be start. Okay. Maximum 9:15 or 9:15, okay, fine. 15 minutes. Maximum you guys try to join the 9:15. Why? Because I have a session 11 o'clock. Okay, not this campus. I need to go to new campus. It will be take 10 minutes and set up 10 minutes. Their setup total 20 minutes. Okay, and once started, those people are immediately I need to start 9, 11, 10, 11, 10. So just I need some gap 10 minutes. One class to one class. అర్థమైందా? నాకు కొంచెం గ్యాప్ కావాలి. అక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ క్యాసెట్, ఒక్కోటి 6 సార్లు 7 సార్లు చెప్పాలి. అదేంటి కోడ్ మళ్ళా. జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ ద కోడ్. ఓకే, జావా రన్నింగ్. Just I need to explain same process. One code I need to repeat 4-5 times. Okay, clear? Yeah, just 10 minutes, just enough. Okay, I request to all, you guys are able to join the session right time 9:15 and RL 920 enough. Okay, 915 try చేయండి. ఓకేనా? Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Okay. This week I will conduct the one assignment. Don't forget, this week I will conduct the one assignment. You guys are write the test cases in your labs. Do you have a lab? You guys are able to write the test cases in lab, and theoretically you need to write paper. I will provide the papers. Okay. I will provide the papers. You guys are write on that papers. And test cases you need to write in your mission. You don't have a mission. Okay. You don't have a mission. Okay. ఇంటికాడ పెట్టి మర్చిపోయితే కాదు, పర్మనెంట్ గా లేకపోతే. You don't have a mission, you can write on paper. Is it clear? Okay. Yeah. This week, don't forget, I will conduct suddenly. Okay. Everyday session related I provided in Google Classroom. Okay. And anybody, you don't have a links, please collect the link from admin. Okay. ఇంకా డౌట్ గా ఉన్నారంటే, ఎవరైనా ఏంటి నేర్చుకున్నామా వద్దా అన్న ఆలోచనలో ఉంటే త్వరగా డిసైడ్ అయిపోండి. నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయొద్దు, టైం వేస్ట్. ఓకే. ఎవరైతే లింక్ తీసుకోలేదో, లింక్ ఎలా ఇస్తారు? అది how they will provide the link? You can pay the amount, then they will provide the link. Okay. That's why I'm telling you, if you guys don't put the doubt in your mind, okay, just you guys are decided immediately. ఇన్ని రోజులు డిసైడ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండకూడదు. ఆల్మోస్ట్ frankly speaking, almost 15 days is completed. You know, not 4th August, you know, 4th September already started. 28th August. But actual session was started September 4. September 4. So that is the point. Okay. Please get the link immediately. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. Bye. Online guys, do you have any doubts? Okay. Please text me here. I will explain. Online guys, do you have any doubts? Please explain here. I will explain. లోగో ఉంది కదా, ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేసినాక లిస్ట్ వస్తాయి. ఐకాన్ యోనో ఎర్రర్ స్టేట్ మీన్స్ ఏంటంటే ఇన్వాలిడ్ కొట్టాలి. ఇన్వాలిడ్ అంటే ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. ప్లీజ్ ఎంటర్ వ్యాలిడ్ యూజర్ నేమ్ అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్. ఓకే. అలాగా సేమ్. నీకు అకౌంట్ లేదు, ఓన్లీ నెగిటివ్ టెస్టింగ్. పాజిటివ్ ఎట్లా? మన దగ్గర క్రెడెన్షియల్ ఉంటే పాజిటివ్. ఓకే. లేవు కాబట్టి SBI application login page. The login button is working on. The చేతులు కట్టుకోకండి. Enter valid URL. Click on enter button ఎట్లా చేస్తారు? ఓకే ఫైన్. క్లిక్ ఆన్ లాగిన్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు? ఇక్కడ లాగిన్ క్లిక్ చేసేటప్పుడు లాగిన్ బటన్ వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదంటే ఏం చేయాలి? తిరగొచ్చు కదా. లాగిన్ బటన్ వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి? క్లిక్ చేసే ముందు ఏం చేయాలి? క్లిక్ చేసే ముందు ఏం చేయాలి? యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఎంటర్ చేయాలి కదా. యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఎంటర్ చేయకుండా క్లిక్ చేస్తాను, చేయరు కదా. అలా కాదు, పర్సనల్ లాగిన్ ఉంటుంది. SBI పర్సనల్ లాగిన్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ లాగిన్ బటన్ ఓకే. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఎలా చేశారు మరి? ఎక్కడ యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఎంటర్ చేశారు? ఇక్కడ అదేనమ్మా. ఆ టెస్ట్ కేసు ఏది అంటున్నా? నాదే మిస్టేక్. కరెక్ట్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఫస్ట్ లాగిన్ ఉంటుంది. లాగిన్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత యూజర్ నేమ్. కరెక్ట్. మీకు సిస్టమ్ ఉందమ్మా, మీకు సిస్టమ్ అంటే మాక్సిమం సిస్టమ్ లో రాయండి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఓకే, సిస్టమ్ లో రాస్తే క్లియర్ గా అర్థం అయిపోతుంది. సిస్టమ్ లో రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం కూడా సిస్టమ్ మీకు రాలేదా? మరి నేను రిపీట్ చేయలేదు మళ్ళీ. రేపు కావాలంటే ఇంకొక రోజు రిపీట్, సాటర్డే రిపీట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? సాటర్డే కొంచెం ఫ్రీగా ఉంటాం కదా, సాటర్డే అదే కింద అడ్మిన్ అడగండి, అతను ఇస్తాడు. ఓకేనా? సాటర్డే చెప్తాను. కోడ్ తీసుకో, కొన్నామ్మా, కోడ్ తీసుకోండి. కోడ్ కోడ్ తీసుకో. మీకు యా యా టైం పడుతుంది, చెప్తాను. ఏం లేదు, యూజ్ అవుతలేదు కానీ ఏంటి ఉపయోగం ఏంటి, ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేయడం లేదని ఆన్సర్ అడిగి క్వశ్చన్ అడిగితే ఆన్సర్ లేదా? ఎక్సెల్ ఒరిజినల్ అది దాంట్లో ఎవరు పిలుస్తున్నారు? Tomorrow you can bring the laptop. Okay. Just a bit. Once I verify, people are able to write this cases properly or not, I need to cross. Okay. Only 11 రాస్తారా మీరు? ఎవరో రాయలేదు. ఎవరో ఇది లేదు. ఏదో కాపాడలేదు. మీరు నెక్స్ట్ ఎక్సెల్ చేయండి. ఎక్సెల్ ఎందుకంటే మనం రాసేది రియల్ టైమ్ లో కూడా ఎక్సెల్ లోనే రాస్తాం. ఓకే, వాళ్ళు ఫార్మాట్ ఇస్తారు, ఆ ఫార్మాట్ ని మనం ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ చేసేసి రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఎక్సెల్ లోనే రాస్తాం. ఆ ఎక్సెల్ ఏం చేస్తామంటే కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు టూల్ ఇస్తే, ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇస్తే, ఈ ఎక్సెల్ ని ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తాం. ఇంపోర్ట్ చేస్తే ఎవ్రీ కాలం ఫార్మాట్ డిఫరెంట్. ఓకే, ఎక్సెల్ రాయడం ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే లుక్ లైక్ ఎక్సెల్ బట్ అదే అర్థమైంది. లేదు మీ దగ్గర లేదని చెప్పి వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చుకున్నారు, మీరు ఎక్సెల్ స్టార్ట్ చేసుకుంటారు. అంతే కదా? Yeah, Priyanka, if you need any yesterday class recording, you need to contact to admin. Yeah, yeah. Das, how to handle the login pop-up? Manually, how to handle the login pop-up? You need to click on close button, that automatically you are able to handle. Okay. కానీ అది రిస్క్ గ్రూప్ కాజ్ అనాలిసిస్ నాట్ లేదు, అది లేదు. చేస్తాను కొంత బ్యాంకింగ్ సెక్టర్ లో ఈబిఎస్ వాడతాం, ఈబిఎస్ కంపెనీ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళ వాళ్ళు వాడుతున్నాం. లేదు, స్పైరల్ మోడ్ లో యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, దాని గురించి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ, you are, this is the second session I think. Yeah, you are able to understand the session.
So I said I want to join in a new batch.
Yeah, I understood.
That started from 28th.
Not 4th, September 4th.
Oh, but demo class is 28th.
Yeah, 28th to 4th only demo sessions.
వాళ్ళు నాకు 6th నుంచి న్యూ
మీకు
బ్యాచ్ చెప్పారు.
సో 4th నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. మీరు ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ టెస్టింగ్ విన్నారా మీరు? రాలేదు. టెస్ట్ లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ టెస్టింగ్
నేను 2 days
అది మీకు ఫస్ట్ నిన్న రాలేదు,
లేదు ఇప్పుడే
మొన్న వచ్చారు.
started.
యా ఇది సెకండ్ డే కదా. అంటే మీరు ఏ టాపిక్ విన్నారు?
సో లాస్ట్
మీరు
టెస్టింగ్ ఎస్డిఎల్సి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్మెంట్.
అది లాస్ట్. ఇది ఈ రోజు వచ్చేసి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ప్రాసెస్ మోడల్.
yes.
అది కూడా కంప్లీట్ గా వెళ్ళా ఓన్లీ. మీరు అంటే కంటిన్యూస్ వస్తారా లేకపోతే
కంటిన్యూ
అలాంటప్పుడు నేను మీకు లింక్స్ ఇస్తాను, ఆ రికార్డింగ్స్ వాచ్ చేయండి. ఆ రికార్డింగ్స్ వాచ్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకేమన్నా డౌట్ ఉంటే నన్ను అడగండి, నేను చెప్తాను. మీరు వస్తున్నారు వెళ్తున్నారు, డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఈ లింక్స్ తీసుకోండి. మీరు ఈ లింక్స్ తీసుకున్నారంటే ఈ లింక్స్ లో అన్ని ఉంటాయి. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటారా? అలాగంటే ఇలా తీసుకుంటాను. అంటే నాకు మనుషులు కనిపిస్తారు కదా, నేను డైలీ వస్తున్నాను. అంటే ఏంటంటే నా ఇంటెన్షన్ ఏంటంటే యూ గైస్ ఆర్ కేమింగ్ ఎర్లీ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్. ఓకే, కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటో నీకు అర్థం. ఒకవేళ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వర్క్ ఉండి కాలేకపోయింది ఆన్లైన్ లోనైనా వాచ్. ఓకే, మిస్ అయ్యారంటే మాత్రం నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తే ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం అయిపోతుంది. బట్ ఏంటంటే నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఎస్టర్డే చెప్పిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈరోజు చెప్తా, కానీ ఇన్ డీటెయిల్ గా చెప్పండి. జస్ట్ మామూలుగా 5 పాయింట్స్ చెప్పుకుంటాను, కానీ ఈ రోజు చెప్పే కాన్సెప్ట్ క్లియర్ గా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాయింట్స్. అది నేను మనకి ఏంటంటే నేర్చుకోవాలి తప్పనిసరిగా, ఆ ఉద్దేశం ఉంటే మాత్రం తప్పనిసరిగా మిస్ అవుతుంది. అస్సలు మిస్ అవుతుంది. ఏది మిస్ అయిపోయినా సరే అర్థం కాదు. మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? మనం తెలుసుకొని చేసి, హ్యూమన్ తెలుసుకోవాలంటే అన్నిటికీ రావాలి. ఏదన్నా మిస్ అయ్యారంటే మాత్రం అక్కడ ఏం చేయాలో మర్చిపోవాలి. కానీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టెస్టింగ్ మిస్ అవుతుంది. ఏంటంటే ఏ డొమైన్ లో ఎలా చేస్తాం మొత్తం నేను రియల్ టైమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పేసి చేస్తాను. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి అమ్మా, నేను చెప్తాను తప్పనిసరి. మీరు అస్సలు ఫీల్ అవ్వద్దు, కొంతమంది అడగడానికి షైగా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. అలా అవసరం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ అడగవచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే నేర్చుకోవడానికి వచ్చాం. సో ఈ డౌట్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ, డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటే నేను సాటర్డే ఫ్రీగా అంటే ఏంటంటే నాకు హాలిడే, ఐ మీన్ వీకెండ్స్. సో నేను స్పెండ్ చేస్తాను. మీకు డౌట్ వస్తే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఏదైనా మీరు ఫస్ట్ రోజుకి ఒక వీడియో చూడండి, ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు డౌట్ ఉన్నది నన్ను అడగండి, నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే, యాజ్ ప్లీజ్ ఎలా ఉందో అలా టైప్ చేయండి, మీరు యూట్యూబ్ లో ఎంటర్ చేస్తారు. ఏదైనా మిస్ అయిందంటే మాత్రం రాదు, చెక్ చేయలేదు. నేను అదే చెప్పాను, టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ అన్ని సేమ్, అన్ని కాలమ్స్ మాత్రం కామన్. నేను ఏ కాలమ్స్ అయితే చెప్పానో ఆ కాలమ్స్ మాత్రం కామన్. ఓకే, కొంతమంది యాక్షన్ వాడతారు, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ రిజల్ట్, యాక్చువల్ రిజల్ట్. కొంతమంది ఏంటి, టెస్ట్ కేసు అన్ని వాడతారు, యాక్షన్ వాడతారు, డిస్క్రిప్షన్ వాడతారు, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ యాక్షన్. కామన్ గా రొటీన్ ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వాడేది ఏంటంటే యాక్షన్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ రిజల్ట్ అవుతుంది, యాక్చువల్. అది కామన్ ప్రతి ఒక్కరు వాడతారు. ఓకేనా? మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. డౌట్ పెట్టుకుని మాత్రం వెళ్ళొద్దు, ప్రతిదీ ఉంటుంది.
అజైల్ మెథడ్ లో అంతేనా సార్ మీరు చెప్పింది? ఇంకేమైనా ఉందా?
ఇంకేం లేదు, మనం ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యేది అంత మాత్రం. మనం అజైల్ మాస్టర్ కాదు, స్క్రమ్ మాస్టర్. ఓకే, టీమ్ మెంబర్స్. అజైల్ మెథడాలజీలో మన రోల్ ఏంటి అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి అది తెలిస్తే చాలు మన రోల్. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే స్ప్రింట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారో చూపిస్తారు. జీరోలో స్ప్రింట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, ఎలా రిలీజ్ చేస్తారు స్ప్రింట్ ని అది చూపిస్తారు. మాన్యువల్ అయిపోయాక చూపించు.
ఎన్ని డేస్ లో అయిపోతుంది?
మాన్యువల్ 20 కాదు కానీ 16 days 16 to 17 days. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇస్తాను మీకు, ఆ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. కొంతమందికి ఏమైనా రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ కావాలంటే అది నేను చూస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా ఉందా అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఉంది, అది ఇన్కంప్లీట్ గా లేదు, కొన్ని మోడల్స్ లేదు, కొన్ని కోసం కొంతమంది అడిగారు రియల్ టైం కోసం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుకునేవాళ్ళు ఫేక్ పెట్టుకునేవాళ్ళు. సో ప్రెషర్ ఉన్నాము, ప్రెషర్స్ కొన్ని లేదంటానికి లేదు. ప్రెషర్ అంటే ఏంటంటే మీరు ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూ వచ్చిందంటే దాన్ని యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంటర్వ్యూ వచ్చిందంటే యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకో, ఎక్కడైనా సరే బెంగళూరు అయినా చెన్నై అయినా హైదరాబాద్, మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అనేది ఐడియా వస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అనే ఐడియా వచ్చిందంటే మాత్రం నెక్స్ట్ టైం మీరు అవలీలుగా ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, లిబరల్ గా ఉంటుంది. నేను చెప్పిన నోట్స్ దాంట్లో చదివితే చాలు. మీరు ఎక్కడ యూట్యూబ్ లో ఎంత సెర్చ్ చేసినా, గూగుల్ ఎంత సెర్చ్ చేసినా నాకన్నా ఎక్కువ స్టఫ్ లేదు. అంటే ఎందుకంటే నేను అవన్నీ చూసే కదా చేసేది, వాస్తవం చెప్పాలి. నేను మీకు ఎప్పుడు కొత్తగా ఇంకా ఏదైనా కొత్తగా చెప్పాలని చెప్పేసి ఆలోచిస్తాను. ఎప్పుడు నేను మంచి పేరు తెచ్చుకోవాలనుకుంటా, కానీ ఏదో చెప్పారు వెళ్ళిపోయారని చెప్పుకోను.
సురేష్ సార్ కన్నా మీరే
మామూలు చెప్పాను, కంపారిజన్ మామూలు చెప్పు. అంటే ఏంటంటే మీకు ఏ కార్డుకి ఏంటంటే మీకు క్వాలిటీ ఇవ్వాలి. నా క్వాలిటీ ఇచ్చానంటే నాకు రెస్పాన్స్ కూడా క్వాలిటీ ఇస్తుంది. ఇది మిమ్మల్ని మీకు బాగా చదువుతారు, మీరు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి అర్థం చేసుకుంటారు, మీరు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి, మీరు ఒకసారి చెప్పండి. కొంతమంది ఉంటారు వాళ్ళకి 2 సార్లు చెప్పాలి, 3 సార్లు చెప్పాలి కొంతమంది. ఇప్పుడు మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నారని చెప్పేసి నేను ఒకసారి చెప్పి వెళ్ళిపోతే ఎలా? కుదరదు కదా. వాళ్ళని నా మనసులో పెట్టుకోవాలి, వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అవుతుంది. నేను అందరు మొహాలు చూస్తాను. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైన మొహాలు వేరుగా ఉంటే అర్థం కాని మొహాలు వేరుగా ఉంటాయి. మీరు అడిగిపోయినా సరే నేను వాళ్ళ కోసం, వాళ్ళు అడగపోయినా నేను చెప్పిస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే వస్తుంది, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే రావాలి టెస్టింగ్. ఓకే, వన్స్ జావా ఆటోమేషన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందంటే మాత్రం ప్రతిరోజు ల్యాప్టాప్ కావాలి. ఓకేనా? మీరు నాకు 3 months 20 days ఇవ్వండి, జాబ్ రావాలని నేను చూపిస్తాను. నేను ఆ షూరిటీ కూడా ఇస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. అదే చెప్పేది నేను మీకు ఫస్ట్ లో అదే చెప్పాను కదా. 1 month అయిపోయిన తర్వాత, జీరో అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ట్రయల్ స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. మాన్యువల్ మీద జీరో పెట్టేసేసుకొని ఆల్ లొకేషన్స్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ హైదరాబాద్, ఎక్కడైనా పెట్టేసుకొని స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ఆటోమేటిక్ ప్రాసెస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.